Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Irfat. We have to discuss 10 top most important MCQs of arithmetic progression AP for first year. So here the nth term of a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 up to n. So here first we have to calculate the nth term here. So this is 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4, 2. That means this is the arithmetic progression. So here 2 is first term. D is common difference. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So A and T n are same. We have to use the formula. So this is 2 n minus 1 and this is 2. So here 2 n minus 2, 2 cancel out. So this is the 2 nth term of the sequence, that is the dth part of the first MCQs is correct. Now come to the second MCQs here. Sn is equals to 2n minus 1 is the sum of the first n terms of a sequence, then it is second term is. So here the Sn which is equals to 2n minus 1. So we have to put n is equals to 1 and this is 2 power minus 1, that is equals to 1. S1 means T1, that is the first term, or A1, it is 1. So here now we have to put n is equals to 2. So this is S2, that is 2 power 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. S2 means T1 plus T2, 4 minus 1. T1 is 1, so this is T1 plus T2 is equals to 3 plus 1. We have to shift this. So the value of 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the C option is correct for this MCQs here. Now come to the next MCQs. Now come to the third MCQs here. A, be the arithmetic progression between A and B. Then we have a simple formula to calculate the single arithmetic mean, that is A plus B upon 2. So the C option is correct for the third MCQs. So here A square, B square, C square are three terms of an AP. Then the middle one will be equals, represents the arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean, will be equal to A square plus C square upon 2. So the B option is correct for the fourth MCQs here. Now very important MCQs. If 1, x minus 1 and 3 are in AP, then find the value of x. AP means the difference between first, second to first and third to second remains same. So x minus 1 will be equal to 3 minus x minus 1. So this is x minus 2, 3 minus x plus 1. So this is x minus 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have to shift, this is 2x, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 2 3s are 6. So the correct option is 3 and the D part of the fifth MCQs is correct. Now come to the sixth MCQs here. If A, capital A and B are in AP, capital A represents the arithmetic mean, then the value of 2A will be equals to. So we know that A is equals to A plus B upon 2. So we have to shift this to here. So this is the value of 2A, it is equals to A plus B. So the A option is correct. Now come to the seventh MCQs. For what value of k, 1 upon 2, 1 upon k minus 1 and 1 upon 6 are in AP. Same as we have discussed in the fifth MCQs here. The difference between second to first and third to second remains same by the definition of the arithmetic progression. So this is, we have to take out the difference. Take out the LCM here, so that is 2k minus 1. So this is 2 minus k minus 1 and this is 6k minus 1. So this is k minus 1 minus 6. 2 3s are 6, k minus 1, k minus 1 cancel. So this 3 we have to shift this side here. 2 minus k minus minus plus 6 minus 7 and this is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2k equals to k minus 7. 2 3s are, sorry, 3, 3, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So this is 9 plus 7, 16, 4 plus k, 4 4s are 16. So the value of k is 4 and the C option is correct for the 7th MCQs here. Now come to the 8th MCQs here. X, Y, Z are in AP, then the value of y will be equals to x plus z upon 2. The B option is correct here. Now the 9th MCQs, if A is arithmetic mean between 6 and 8, so we have the formula A plus B upon 2. So this is 6 plus 8, that is 14 upon 2. 2 7s are 14, so the E option is correct here, that the answer is 7. Now come to the last MCQs. A, B, C are in AP, then B will be equals to A plus C upon 2 and the B option is correct. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Thank you so much.